In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get 20% off your Airtime purchase. So without further ado, let's dive in. To get started, we'll be making use of the PalmPay app. In the case you don't have the PalmPay app on your device, just head to Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you are using, to download the app. After installing the app on your device, click on Open. You'll be directed to the PalmPay dashboard. Click on the Airtime icon. Next, enter the mobile number you want to purchase Airtime to. To get 20% off, click on the first option, which is 15 naira get 20% cashback. Choose a payment method. Next, click on Continue to pay. Enter your PIN. Successful. That's how you get 20% off your Airtime purchase. One other thing, you can repeat this process to buy more airtime to get 20% cashback. And remember, this only happens on Tuesdays. Every Tuesday, PalmPay offers amazing discounts on all their Airtime purchase. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.